Hello everyone, welcome to this session. At the end of the session, you will be able to know Hadoop data flow concept. So in this mainly discuss about MapReduce concept. So what is the MapReduce? So we already discussed for processing the data. So it's processing the data that is a huge amount of data in a parallel by dividing the job into a set of independent tasks in Hadoop. So MapReduce works by breaking the processing into phases. So that phases map and reduce. MapReduce is the programming paradigm designed process huge volume of data in parallel by dividing the job into a set of independent tasks. So look this example. Okay, so this is a map and reduce. This is the processing unit of in your data nodes. So MapReduce is heart of Hadoop. It is programming model designed for processing huge volume of data. So mainly both structured data also as well as unstructured data in a parallel manner by dividing the work into set of independent tasks. So we are going to see with how the MapReduce working for the counting examples. Take this scenario. So what are the steps generally following the MapReduce flow? Input, map, shuffling and sorting, reducing, and output. So now we are going to see about how this counting example is working. So what is the input we have? So we have take it mainly the three part of dog, cat, rat, and second one is car, rat, and third one dog, car, rat. Sorry, cat. So now splitting the so we can think that this is a huge volume of data. So splitting into three data. So that is first dog, cat, rat. And second, the car, rat will be in the second node. And third one is dog, car, and cat. So now doing the mapping and shuffling and find it how many times it's occurred of each word. So that's the counting process. So it is doing by the subnode. So once done the independent task and final result we are getting, that is after reducing, we are getting the output. So I will explain the examples into step by step how it is working. So one block is processed by the one mapper at a time. So in the mapper, a developer specifies his own business logic as per the requirements. So in this manner, the map runs all the nodes of the clusters and process the blocks in parallel. So we can see output of the map, also known as intermediate output. So you can see that how that intermediate output is written. So mainly it is written on the local disk. So our output of mapper is not stored on HDFS. It's temporarily storage. So and after that it's writing on the HDFL. So it's creating unnecessary many copies. So once the output of mapper is shuffled to reduce the node. So you can see the step of this, how is the reducing. The shuffling and copying is the physical movement of data which is done over the network. So once all the mapper finished and the output is shuffled on the reducer node, then this intermediate output is merged and sorted, which then provide us an input to reduce phase. So now reduce node is again phase of processing where the users can specify his own custom business logic as per the requirement. An input to a reducer is provided from all the mappers, and output of the reducer is the final output which is written in the HDFS. So in between the mapping, shuffling, that output and all not stored in the HDFS. So once all the result is completed, the final result is written in the HDFS, that is a storage. So in this session, you have learned about how the data flow of Hadoop with the counting examples. So now quiz time, which can be used described as a program model used to develop Hadoop-based application that can process massive amount of data. So let's check the answer. That's a MapReduce. It's mainly useful for processing the data, so the massive data of information. Thank you.